first type is compile time polymorphism, that is also called method overloading, right? Now what is method overloading? We already seen the example, right? We will be having the same method name but different parameters. That's what we have written here. Multiple methods with the same name but different parameters list in the same class, right? So what are the rules? Method names must be same, right? Method signature must differ. Method name should be same but method signature should be differ. It can be number, type, order of parameters, anything it can be, right? But there should be some difference. Can overload by changing number of parameters, changing data types, change order of the parameters. So I will tell you the example of each. So we are having, let's say, method sound. This is the parent class, and this is the child class. No need of parent and child. We can, let's say we are having sound method and int x, int y. Add method is there, int x, int y. Okay, now we can also have int x, int y, int z, right? Or let's say string z, right? So the method name is same, add, but the number of parameters are different. So this is the overloading. Again we can also have like this, string z, then int x, int y. This is also different, right? We have changed the order of the parameter, right? So string is now coming in as the first parameter, right? So these are the types of method overloading. Let's see the example. Okay, so we are having one class calculator, and okay, one class is calculator, and we are having the main class. What we are doing? See, we are having first method sum, int a, int b. Second method same name but number of parameters is increased from 2 to 3, right? And now here again same name but the type of the parameter changed from int to double, right? So in the main function, if we are calling 2, 3, it will call this, let's say, first, second and third. It will call this first method, right? If we are calling with the 3 parameters, it will call the second. If we call with the double type, then it will call the third, right? Because this is the method which is expecting double parameter. Okay, understood? So why this method overloading is the compile time polymorphism? What is happening here? When you call an overloaded method, same name, different parameters, the compiler decide which version to call based on the number of parameters, type of parameters and the order of parameters. So if you see the example, here we are having print, and print here it's expecting string, it's expecting int, right? So the type of parameter is different. Now we are calling p dot print hello, this is the string, first one. So at the compile time only it will decide that we need to call this first method, right? At the compile time. Okay, it will check print is there which is expecting string, this method is there, so we need to call this. So it is decided at the compile time. And here int is there, so again it will be decided at the compile time. Okay, so what's next? Why compile time? Why this is compile time? We already seen this, right? So the JVM does not decide at the runtime which method to call. This is the property of JVM basically. Okay, so the compiler already knows the argument type and resolve the correct method version we have seen here, right? And if you pass the incorrect type, it will throw an error. Let's say here we are calling print 1 2 3 1 to 3, again 1 to 3. We are passing 2 parameters, so it will throw the error that this method is not there. Got it? So these are some benefits: increase readability, flexible method design, and better code organization. So that's it. So this is what compile time polymorphism. This is clear for everyone, right? Compile time polymorphism, that is also called overloading, method overloading. So in the interview you can answer anything from this compile time and runtime.